Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about the triangle midsegment theorem. It's a very interesting lesson and very easy one. If I have here in this triangle, I have, as you see, how many congruent segments I have here. A segment which is PU, the side here PUQ is divided into two equal segments, two congruent segments. So I have here a midpoint, it's called X. What about here? I have a segment and it's divided into two equal or two congruent parts, so I have here a midpoint which is called Y, and the same here for Z. We have here a segment divided into two equal parts, so I have here Z is a midpoint. Okay, so we have three midpoints. If you have three midpoints like this and you connected them by segments inside, so this is called what? This is called midsegment of a triangle. So the midpoints are connected together with what? With the midsegment of triangle. What should I know or conclude from this? It's an easy theorem here. We have here, if you have this segment DE, which is parallel to the side AC. So I have again DE mid segment is parallel to, yes, the side AC. You remember the parallel? Okay, so therefore we conclude that DE is half of AC. DE is half AC. If I have here, this is 2, okay, let's have an example. If this 2, this will be 4. Okay, let's see some examples here, guys. If I ask you here, or he will ask us, of course, find the measure of UW. Where is UW here? Let's see. UW. Okay, given that we have here, as you see, how we have midpoints. Why? Because we have a lot of what here, guys? I have a lot of, okay, a lot of congruent. I want to make this congruent here, RW congruent to WT, so W here is a midpoint. Also this applies for this one. The V is a midpoint because you have here VT is congruent to VS, and you have here U is a midpoint because you have two congruent also. So remember, guys, the theorem. UV, where is UV? UV, what? Okay, UV, where are your parallel side? Yes, this is the parallel side for UW. So UW here is parallel to ST, right? Therefore, UW is half of what? Half of ST. UW is considered equals half of what? ST. UW here, it's given? No, it's not. It's required. Then half of ST. ST is what? Is 7.4. Is 7.4. So half of 7.4 gives me 3.7. Okay? Half of, yes, 3.7. Okay. What about here? If he asks me about angle SVU, let's see together how can we write the angle, guys. SVV, okay, because this is important to know. U, this inside angle. He asks me about SVU. SVU is what? Okay, I draw here, we draw before that we have UV is parallel to, okay, is parallel to what, guys? Is parallel to ST. They are parallel here. When you have parallel, so we have alternate, yes, alternate, interior alternate. So I have here 41 degree here, so this will be the same 41 alternate, right? Okay, so it will be 41. Okay, guys, now you know that alternate. Okay, I have here some question, but I need you to solve this as homework because it's very interesting. But I'm going to I'm going to solve this with you, and then you do it by yourself again. So guys, he asks me about here UV, about about JL. Where is JL? Okay, this is JL, and this is your homework, guys. JL is what? Okay, I'd like you to make this as a homework and then check your answer and write the steps. What about this one? I will here do it with you. Okay, because it has something to think about. I have here, he asks me about find the value of x and y. Okay guys, very easy one. It's given, look at the given here in the example. 4x minus 10. DE, this line is 4x minus 10. It has another line here opposite to it. Remember, when you have midpoints like N, M, O, I know that they are midpoints because they give me two equal congruent sides here, two equal congruent sides there, two equal congruent sides here. So, or segments. So you have three midpoints. When I have three midpoints, so I have segments here. I have here what guys? Triangle, segments of triangle. Okay, so you have here, remember, MN is half and this is parallel to DE. Again, step by step. If I say here, as I said here, remember the rule? Let's go back to the rule. If I said here, I have here segments, mid segments, this is called the mid segments, so it's half of the side, okay, opposite to it or parallel to it. So moving here guys, I'm having a mid segment, this x mid segment, MN is a mid segment, segment MN is what? It's half, this one, it's half of DE. So x is half what guys? 4x minus 10. Wow, it's very interesting guys. Okay, can we solve for x now? Of course. So x will be what? Half of 4, it's 2x. Okay, minus, instead of 10, it will be 5. Divide 10, divided by 2, divided by 2. So I have here x equal to x minus 5. So x go to the other side by negative, to x minus x gives me 1x, and here I have positive 5. So x here equal positive 5. After that, I want to solve for the question is to solve for y also, x and y. X we got it with what? With positive 5. Let's solve for y. Where is y? Search for it. This is y. Okay, this y, do we have here any parallel? No, but this side, in the right side, we have a parallel. So I say that y mid segment is half of what? Of that line that's parallel to half to x plus 12. It's easy to solve. Yes. Why? Means we have x. Yes, and I know the value of x. It's 5. Half, open bracket, to multiply 5 plus replace or substitute 5 for x, then plus 12. Okay, then y equal half, 2 times 5, 10 plus 12. Half of 10 is what? Is 5. So y equal half of 10, 5. Plus half of 12, 6. So y now equal what guys? Equals 11. So I got here the value of x equal 5 and the value of y equal 11. And here you are the steps. I hope you understood this guys. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.